The Boathouse is great food, waterfront dining, and dream boats. People come once for the wow factor. They come back for quality food and service.
When you first walk into the restaurant, the first thing you see is a spectacular raw bar. I have about 6 local seafood vendors that call me on a daily basis telling me what they have coming in. And then if you move into the beef, we have the Gibson's Blue Star Angus beef program, which is everything from an 8-ounce filet mignon you can cut with a spoon to that massive 32-ounce long bone rib chop. The S'mores Baked Alaska is one of our signature desserts. We make 1 S'mores Baked Alaska ice cream cake from 1.5 gallons of Rocky Road ice cream, 4 Hershey bars, a bag of mini marshmallows, graham cracker crust, and then we burn the outside of it just like a toasted marshmallow in a campfire. It's fantastic. When it goes through the room, everybody's head is turning.
You know, here at the landing, it's really all about the water. It's engaging water on the north side with this fantastic lake, and on the south side, we're going to be delivering this fantastic, clear, natural spring look. So every restaurant is really focused on that kind of view.
I owned Amfer cars. They were made from 1962 to 1967. There's about 400 left in the world. I decided, wow, what a unique opportunity that would be, and be the first ones in the world to do something with them commercially is absolutely a privilege, and we're very proud of it.
This does a lot for creating placemaking. It's a term that we use that guests, when they come to a Disney venue, really feel like they've entered a whole different world.